Hi, my name's Sally and I wanted to record this short video to introduce myself, as I know that I've had some new followers on my business page. And I also know that when you are looking for a yoga class or a yoga teacher or someone to support you and maybe your family and your children, it can feel really overwhelming because there's so much choice out there in terms of holistic practitioners. So I am a really firm believer that yoga is accessible for all ages. And I'm also a firm believer that when we enter into more of a relaxed state through movement, through breath, and through specific relaxation practices, we can have more potential to change and to access our optimum states of being. So that's how I like to support and empower others. And that includes individuals of all ages as well as families. So I offer individual and group yoga sessions. And I also support families through yoga and well-being sessions. I specialise in yoga for children with additional needs, and I combine all of this with my understanding and qualifications in educational psychology, which means that I understand and work within the education system. So I look forward to hearing from you and welcoming you to a session, a class, or a course soon. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.